And now we have a Heartline from Beatriz in Peru.
Beloved Supreme Master Ching Hai, in a lucid dream, I was first shown how the people of our world are influenced by demons, some very powerful. When I saw everything that these demons caused, such as wars between families, massacres, and other things, I ran out of that place and started to cry. It was there that a man came and told me that they are like that because they do not have love. These beings are very powerful, but they do not have love. I even understood that humans influenced by demons needed love. Then I began to repeat the 5 holy names and to fly slowly, then faster, crossing the clouds, and thus was able to return to my physical body. After having returned, some seconds later, again I flew out of my physical body, going out into space, into the universe. Suddenly, I saw a number of rings of light, one inside another. They all caught my attention. The lines of light around the walls of the tunnel were moving at high speed. Then I arrived at a place that was all dark, where I did not know where to go. Suddenly, a corridor appeared and Master was at the end, at the top of it, smiling. Master informed me where I was. I felt moved, and finally she told me to quickly come closer. Master touched my head and blessed me. I did not want to leave, but suddenly I felt how very quickly I was returned to my physical body. Being able to see my face clearly and knowing that I had not been present in my body. Truly we, the disciples of Supreme Master Ching Hai, are blessed and protected beyond our physical reality in the confines of the universe. I understood the importance of love, to offer love even to those we consider to be doing something wrong. I understood that the power of love would heal them. It is the grace of Master manifested in a feeling of peace and love that allows us to raise our consciousness. May we soon see a peaceful and vegan world. May more people reach the path of liberation that Supreme Master Ching Hai teaches us. May we soon share peace together with Master here on a new earth in a new humanity. Thank you, Master, for all the blessings and protection that you always offer us. With the greatest deep love from my heart, Beatriz from Peru.
Blessed Beatriz, thank you for sharing your inner experiences. We hope they will bring some understanding and benefit to others. Here are Master's words for you. Loving Beatriz, thank you for your diligent practice. Through the spiritual experiences you have related, you have learned a very important lesson, to always stay on the positive side. It seems at times not easy, but we must try resisting the seduction of the negative whispering, as it always tries mightily to lead one astray and to forget God love. As long as we keep the 5 precepts and meditate conscientiously, we will see the love grow inside of us, and our true self will shine through. The negative has no power at all over such an elevated and loving soul. Pray that humans will soon recognize their God nature, and we will then be in a world bathed only in the positive. May the providence always shelter you and the friendly people of Peru.
No to vegan, because you want to continue to be depressed.
We welcome your heartlines, stories, and/or cute, loving animal people clips. Please send them via suprememastertv.com/heartline.